Welcome U2 customer. U2 have a UOJ client using UO connection connect to Universe or Unidata server. And most of powerful UOJ driver is running on the Java environment. Most of time you might want to turn on UO server lock or UniRPC daemon lock, but sometimes you want to see what's going on the UOJ client side. Special for the connection pooling. UOJ run on the client machine. If you turn on the connection pooling, the pool will create on the client side machine, not on the server machine. So for the latest U2 client 5.2.1 come with the new UOJ driver. They can turn on UOJ client log. The client logging is pretty simple. Basically, it's the program folder. If have the file called uoj.properties file, then we'll create the log file. This new implementation based on the Java util.logging tool to create log. They have so many parameters, but basically it's two kind of log. One is regarding to connection pooling setting. So you can set it connection pooling inside the program, or you can create setting inside the UOJ properties, or you must be set up the LogFilePath. The LogFilePath folder must be exist. Then you set the LogDebug label. Right now I set everything. So if you don't set the other parameter, you just need to set this two parameter. You will create a log file. Let's do the demo. So right now I create this file, only two parameter setting. Then we can see inside this folder you can run this program to see to generate log file. So I can run this UOJ program, connect to the Unidata or Universe server. Doesn't matter, because we want to create a client logging. So I just create this one. So you might get a log file error. It's fine. And we try it again. So you can create So I create a program, run the program, then we go back to look at the result on the log file. So we create the log file here based on the UOJ property setting. So we can take a look. So let's by default setting, you see all the setting is none. But two parameter is log path and log label is all. So you will see, because it's log label, it's a lot. So you see all the detail in the UOJ client log. Okay. So next, we want to change to a little bit, for example, like this one. Then I want to turn on the connection pooling. Also set the log label to info. I save it. I can delete it. So it's gone. So back to the same program again. So I connect to same Unidata host. So I connect to the Unidata server and one connection, so we can verify it's using regular user or connection pooling. On this second test, I using set the connection poolings on. So you will see this time we're using pool connection is 1. So we go back to check the setting again. So you will see the difference. So because they just set the info, so the information just very minimized. So see the connection pooling, I set to yes, and I just only required to set the login level to info. So they have a multiple log level option. You can looking for a Java menu or looking for uoj menu to see to set a different log level.